Hello ladies and gentlemen, you are welcome. Then Adeoboye from MoneyBiz, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make money online by sharing your internet connection. Now, I didn't say sharing your internet data, I said connection. Now this is the unused bandwidth of your internet. So I'm going to explain how this works in this video. Literally, you can make up to like $49 in a single month. This is not again saying I will show you everything in step by step in this video. So before we jump into the video, if you are yet to subscribe, kindly click on the red button to subscribe, and please, if you are not subscribed, kindly like this video. It means a lot to me. Thank you so much. I get motivated when you like this video and when you comment. Just comment. Any comment you say at all matters a lot. Thank you. Every comment, like thank you, anything matters a lot to me. So please comment, like this video, and if you are yet to subscribe, kindly click on the red button to subscribe. So let me jump right into this video. Now we are going to use an application that is going to enable you to make passive money online, as you just do any other things online. That be you search the internet, or you watch video, or you on Facebook, any other thing you do online. As you are online, active online, you'll be making passive income automatically. So how does this work? The first thing that is very important is for you to click on the link below. So when you click on the link below, you'll be brought to this website here, known as iproya.com. So when you click on the link below, you will bust to this website. When you come now on this website, you make passive income online. Make passive income online by sharing your internet. So you share your internet connection. Literally, this works like when you share your unused internet connection, your unused bandwidth. This is like a computer language, a unused bandwidth. You're not using it actually, it's just there, not being useful. But people can actually buy it from you, and you begin to make money from it. So now this is how it works. IP address, this iProya enable you to make money instantly. All you need to do is to start generating income, to create a free account and install our application. All right, so make your internet connection work for you. Each iProya client, now people that actually come to buy your unused data, your unused internet connection, most of them, when they come to this app, to this website to register, this website is going to enable them to go through a rigorous vetting process to ensure that they are not stealing your data. So what they are only buying from you is your internet connection, and this internet connection help those companies to be able to be specific in their SEO or testing their app or doing every other thing that does not even concern you in any way. It just enable them to be able to predict the outcome of most of their company's policy. It does not affect you in any way. Your data is not being stolen. So all you have to do, this is how it works. First thing you have to do is to sign up on this application, on this website. So when you sign up the website, you'll be taken to it, you can download the application. Now this website is going to share your internet connection with no access to your personal data. Now every of your used internet connection that they sell, or let me say that they buy from you. So this actually run without your involvement. It just run underground without your involvement. And everyone they buy from you, you make money. So per 1 GB you make about 0.20 USD. And this is a brilliant way to make money online without even moving a stick. So how much can you earn? Literally, you can earn in a month, you can earn between $5 to $140 per month on an average by keeping this application. You keep it active on your phone. I'm going to explain to you how it works. I told you that right now they pay about 0.20 USD per 1 GB shared. Now there are some few things that they pay that is going to determine if you're going to make big money or not. One thing is the location of IP address. So for example, if you're in USA or all those other American countries, there's a high chances of you making more money. But wherever you are, either in Nigeria, Africa, or anywhere you are in the world, don't worry, this also works very well for you. You're going to make a reasonable amount of money. And that's also determine how much you're going to make is your internet speed. So if your internet speed is faster, you make money better. And once again, I must tell you that this website is built on 3 core pillars. That's your security, safety, and privacy. So they are secured. There's a guarantee of your safety, and there's a guarantee of your privacy. So ladies and gentlemen, how can you earn on this platform? Now you can actually earn by downloading the application. So first thing, you install the application. Then if you want to make more money, naturally you can just use multiple IP address. Let's say for example you have like 2 or 3 phones. Download the application on those 3 phones with different internet connection. Don't attach everything to one internet connection, because that's going to have all those one pillar address. What I mean is that if you have like 3 phones, you recharge on one phone with different data, and that phone different data, you own the data, and you put the application on them, you make money. There will be no problem with that whatsoever. Okay, now the minimum withdrawal is $5. As I've told you earlier, when you use $5, you are going to withdraw. Now, when you click on the link below and register, you automatically be given $1. You'll be given $1 for free. So you got, it's very easy like that. Maybe just click on the link below, register, you get $1, and this quicken your chances of making money so fast. So ladies and gentlemen, let's get started with the real thing. So just come after I've clicked on the link below, you are now on the dashboard on their website rather. Click on sign up. So when you click on sign up, you'll be taken to where you can sign up. But since I've already signed up to this application, when I click on sign up, I was automatically taken to my dashboard. I can see this is my dashboard there. I have $1 on my dashboard, and so far I have sold about 5 GB. You know, this I just started using this application today, and since I come to this application with somebody link, I was giving $1. So just give $1 like that. So when you click on the link below, you'll be automatically giving $1. So you gap, and when you reach $5, there's going to be a button that's going to appear for you on this side there. So there'll be a button that's going to appear very close here, and that button is going to be an opportunity for you to withdraw your money. So since the only button can only appear when you have gotten to $5, so maybe you sign up, then sign up, finish, activate your account. They will send an email to you. They'll send a mail to your email, activate the account, then you'll be taken to where you can actually download the application. It's very important you download the application. Don't just sign up and forget. Download the application. If by version you're not taken to where you can download the application, just go to your Google Play Store and just put IP Royal. Just press IP Royal. So the app is going to pop up for you. Just log in with the details that you used to sign up, and you are good to go. So this is my dashboard on the website. So to be able to withdraw, just click up here. So let me show you here. Just click up here where your mail is. Click there. So you see a drop down button. Just click on it here, and you see settings. So click on settings. It's going to take you to where you can actually withdraw. So far you can see you can withdraw either through PayPal or Bitcoin. But at the time of recording this video, it's only Bitcoin that is available. But it is most likely that in few hours or few days or maybe a few weeks, PayPal will be available to us. And if I get to have a PayPal account, just go to one of my videos. I explain how you can create a PayPal account, especially if you're in Nigeria or other part of Africa. Just watch that video and create a PayPal account and put your PayPal email here, and you're good to go. But so far now, at the time of recording this video, the only means of payout presently it is Bitcoins. So to be able to get Bitcoin, I actually tested my Trust Wallet Bitcoin address. It didn't actually go through. So I have to go to Google Play Store and download bitcoin.com wallet. Just search for Bitcoin wallet. So you see an application like this. So this application is going to look like. So with this application, all you have to do is to let me open this application briefly. So let me just open it. So I'm going to open the application here. So when you open the application, go to the Google Play Store. That is the application known as bitcoin.com, and all you have to do is just come straight here. You can see where they put my Bitcoin wallet. Just click on my Bitcoin wallet. So when you click on my Bitcoin wallet, it's going to be brought to a place like this. So all you have to do is to click on this receive. So when you click on receive, you just tap on this barcode, tap on it, and you're able to copy your Bitcoin API, your Bitcoin address. So that is the Bitcoin address that you're going to put here. Just copy it and paste it here. So for example, if I click here and paste it, it begin with Bitcoin ... So you clean away those Bitcoin ... or this is what I mean. So let me paste. Okay, sorry. Let me just paste it here. So let me select all this and paste this now. So when I paste it there, I can see that it starts with Bitcoin, and the address should not have Bitcoin. It should only start with numbers and letters. So I'm going to delete all the Bitcoin part of it away, and I'm good to go. So I'll just come down here and click on save. So when I click on save, you can see user information was successfully updated. So I can actually cash out using Bitcoin for now. And if I've gotten to $5, I'm going to be able to cash out using Bitcoin wallet. All right, so another thing you must also notice that when you cash out using other means, it is most likely that they are going to remove charges from you, just like about few charges in Bitcoin. But PayPal, since it's not available now, I don't know the amount of charges they're going to remove. So you gap. So the very simple and straightforward. So another way you can actually earn is through affiliates. Just share your link with other people, and you can earn 10% of their payout. So for example, somebody actually request for payout for like $5, you earn about $0.5. So you earn you earn 10% of that payout. So it's straightforward like that. So ladies and gentlemen, it's very important you take action almost immediately. So this is the application on my phone. You can see it here. So when I click on it here, so this is how the application is going to literally look like. And when I scroll up here, you can see that the IP Royal is actually running on my phone. So it is running live, and you are good to go. So ladies and gentlemen, it's very important. Click on the link below, sign up, sign up and download the application and start making money. You don't need to do anything. You can just continue doing every other thing you are doing on the internet, and money will be generated for you automatically. So ladies and gentlemen, I look forward to seeing the next video. If you have gotten value in this video, click on the red button to subscribe. To subscribe and take action immediately. So it is important that you make a positive changes with your life this year 2022. So take action immediately. Do not just take a look at the value and throw your face away or look away. Take action immediately. So I look forward to seeing the next video. Thank you so much, and I love you.